A key to keeping your audience engaged and boosting SEO is enhancing content readability and incorporating interactive elements. Let's find out how to improve an article on pet nutrition myths. I'll prompt ChatGPT. Provide examples of interactive elements and readability improvements for an article debunking pet nutrition myths. Okay, ChatGPT recommends adding quizzes to test readers' knowledge before and after reading, using infographics to summarize myths versus facts, and employing clear, concise headings to improve navigation. And that's great because quizzes will take you time, so that's good for time spent. And infographics can be shared on multiple websites, and you can get traffic and backlinks from these bad boys. All right, now, let's do something a little more advanced. We want to try to gain a spot in featured snippets. This is increasingly important because if you get a featured snippet, you get most of the clicks on a results page. So to optimize our content about eco-friendly pet toys, let's ask ChatGPT, craft concise answers suitable for featured snippets and voice search on the benefits of eco-friendly pet toys. You can see that the answers are quite interesting, so we can copy-paste this in our article. And we focused on brevity and clarity in our responses, so we cater to both featured snippets and the conversational nature of voice search queries. Now, having an optimized piece is great, but we also know that internal linking is important. That's creating a link between two pages of yours, and that allows you to have more time spent on your website. So let's take a look. Considering an article on year-round dog care, I'll inquire with ChatGPT. Identify potential internal linking opportunities within a comprehensive guide to year-round dog care. Okay, we can see that linking to seasonal grooming tips, dietary adjustments, and health precautions articles keeps the reader engaged and informed, offering a more rounded understanding. So if we don't have these articles yet, we'd better write them. Now, beyond creation, the evolution of your content strategy should be informed by analytics. You have to understand how your content performs because this paves the way for continuous improvement. Let's see how ChatGPT can help here. We're going to use ChatGPT to interpret content performance data. We'll use this. Given analytics showing high engagement but low conversion on DIY pet toys, what content adjustments might improve conversions? All right, interesting. ChatGPT might suggest focusing more on DIY projects that require minimal supplies or highlighting cost savings, addressing potential reasons for the drop-off in conversions. All right, we've been through more advanced techniques here, so I hope you can see the value of all this. You can see that ChatGPT does not only help you with the core of the content, but also with things like engagement, featured snippets, internal linking, and conversion rate optimization. These things are really the details that can transform your website into a cash machine, not just a collection of articles. And we'll continue digging in the next video.